Your company is growing and you need to prepare your team for new technical challenges. Every week brings a new tool, a new version, a new demand. Is your team keeping up? Cuemby lives in that world every day. We design, run, and teach cloud-native and open-source technologies for all kinds of organizations. Our trainings and workshops are fully customizable. Each organization builds its own path. Go deep on Kubernetes, automation, security, observability, FinOps, or combine the topics your team needs right now. We work on site, virtually, or in hybrid formats, depending on what works best for your team. Every session blends context, hands-on practice, and real-world scenarios. Your team learns how to deploy, operate, and improve cloud workloads with security, performance, and cost in mind. The result? Teams who understand what they're doing make better decisions and master the technology that powers the business. Cuemby training and workshops. Train to lead, build to scale. Schedule a session with our team or visit our page to learn more.